Good evening and welcome to the 40th episode of Kallol. As many of you are aware, Kallol is a vibrant multilingual platform where young talents express their creativity through poetry in a diverse array of topics and languages. Join us as we celebrate the voices of these remarkable children and explore the beauty of their artistic expressions. We are excited to introduce the enthusiastic participants who are eager to showcase their talents in today's program. Let us give us a warm welcome to these young poets ready to share their creativity with us. The first participant of this episode is Ursula Ruhi.
So the name of my poem is You Have Met Me Through My Poems. Today again, I saw you in the park, breathing in the fragrance of trees at your regular spot. Turning you into poetry, I was admiring you from afar. When my eyes popped out and my jaw got dropped, with a smile on my face, my mind got a shock. I questioned the reality and blinked over and over. Still saw the same thing. My book of poetry over your shoulder. I don't know if you read it, you'll decipher that few of the poems and you are so similar, as if it was meant for you, as if the poet was your lover. Out of zillions of times, today I wanted the most to sit next to you. Enough of the distance. Now I want the close up of you. You know my name and my feelings. I don't even know who you are. Indeed, you have met me through my poems, but I'm meant to meet you and know your past. Thank you.
Thank you, Ursula Ruhi, for sharing your beautiful poem. Your words truly resonated with us, and your unique perspective adds so much to our program. We appreciate your courage and creativity. Our next participant for this episode is Muhammad Akib.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरी कविता का नाम है आजादी। यह धरती भी हमारी थी, यह गगन भी हमारा था, पर अंग्रेजों के शासन में कुछ भी ना हमारा था। एक समय था जब ये भारत सोने की चिड़िया कहलाई, यही देख विदेशियों को कभी भारत रास न आए। मंगल भगत आजाद सबने लड़ी लड़ाई थी, तब जाकर हमारे भारत ने स्वतंत्रता पाई थी। न जाने कितने वीरों ने अपनी जान गंवाई थी, तब जाकर मेरे भारत ने स्वतंत्रता पाई थी। अंग्रेज यहाँ बस गए थे, इसमें भी कहो तो कमी हमारी थी, कुछ अपनों के मन में ही बस गई गद्दारी थी। अंग्रेजों से हमने भी सीना तान लड़ी लड़ाई थी, फांसी के फंदे पर लटके सीने पर गोली खाई थी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Muhammad Akib, for that wonderful performance. Your poem was not only engaging but also thought-provoking. It's inspiring to see such talent and passion. Now, our third participant for today is Reena. We're delighted to have Reena joining us for the first time in this program. Let's extend a warm welcome to her as she shares her poem with us.
So the name of my poem is Whenever I Write a Poem. Whenever I write a poem, fire burns in my heart. A light comes through my thought. I just put it on a piece of paper. I feel great. I feel relaxed. I feel relieved. As some load was unloaded. A poem was so made and I am so delighted. Thank you.
That was indeed a very short poem, but very incredible, and your creativity and expression brought the words to life, leaving a lasting expression. It takes great courage to share your work, and we are also grateful to have you here. Keep up the amazing work. Our fourth participant of this episode is Samra Ansari.
So today my poem name is Memory. The day we made memories being with each other still lingers in my mind as leaves in autumn, and the path we traveled with that biscuit, even its wrapper holds a special place in me. The joke on which we laughed together, I still laugh thinking about you being with me. I know the time we wasted on fighting, but I also kept that safe inside of me. The garden of friendship we made, laughters and tears that we shared. I still remember our face on being apart, now looking forward to be on the same page. Even the space between us grew a lot, but the memories hold each other together. The day we made memories being with each other still lingers in my mind as leaves in autumn. Thank you.
Thank you, Samra Ansari, for this beautiful poem, which is a very thought provoking poem again. So, our next participant, which I would like to invite to perform the poem, is Rifat Parveen. Please start.
Good evening, everyone. So, my poem name is What Makes Us Human. Someone coming home, someone going far away, someone getting excited to meet, someone drifting apart in grief. Different stories, different destiny, same ways, but differences speaking. Looking at the beautifully different world through the eyes of the human, screaming, yelling, sometimes just whispering their libraries. Such sameness makes us human. Rainfall, which somewhere makes human bleed their eyes, but somewhere becomes the soft handkerchief which wipes human tears. Life, which is looking at human with admiration in eyes. It is not just a myth. Life, which is looking at human with admiration in eyes. It is not just a myth to believe the intensity of that admiration that is through human eyes. Differences in the reason we smile, differences in the pain we realize, but uses the same word to vocalize. These little differences makes us human the same, I realize. Same story, different paragraph, same smile, different rhyme, different human and different time. How much sameness and how much differences makes us alike. We are human, we are different, we are human and we are same. And the sameness and differences now that I realize. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your beautiful poem with us today. Your creativity and heartfelt words have touched everyone, and we're so proud of your talent. You've shown us the magic of imagination, and we can't wait to see what wonderful things you create next. So, our sixth participant of this episode is Kamran Ashraf.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरी पोयम का नाम है रास्ता। हो रही है कठिनाइयां लेकिन हमें इससे भी पार कर जाना है। हो रही है कठिनाइयां लेकिन हमें इससे भी पार कर जाना है। थोड़ी मुशक्कत करके हमें मंजिल तक जाना है। चाहे हो कितना भी कठिनाई, चाहे हो कितनी भी कठिनाइयां, हमें सबका समाधान निकालना है, क्योंकि हमें मंजिल तक जाना है। आराम तो बाद में भी कर लेंगे, पहले इस पड़ाव को पार कर जाना है। आराम तो बाद में भी कर लेंगे, पहले इस पड़ाव को पार कर जाना है। मंजिल को पाने की इस भाग दौड़ में हमें अपनी पूरी शक्ति लगाना है। आखिरकार हमें इस रास्ते को पार कर जाना है, क्योंकि हमें मंजिल तक जाना है। थैंक यू।
Thank you for this really beautiful poem. This was a very the words of this poem are very heartfelt. Now I would like to conclude this program. Thank you all for being with us and being a wonderful audience and celebrating the gift of poetry with us. We look forward to more inspiring moments in the future. Please share and subscribe this channel. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you, Myra. Thank you all for joining in such a short period. See you in the next program. Thank you. Bye-bye.